Apple has just introduced its latest flagship smartphones, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, marking another leap in mobile innovation. With bigger displays, improved camera features, and the new AI-powered system known as Apple Intelligence, these devices are set to redefine the user experience and push the boundaries of smartphone technology. While the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus deliver solid updates over their predecessors, the real game changers are the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. These premium models bring significant enhancements, setting them apart as the most exciting iPhones to date. They feature major upgrades in display, design, and camera capabilities, catering to both casual users and tech enthusiasts. As for pricing, Apple has kept it in line with last year's models. The iPhone 16 Pro starts at $999 for the base 128GB storage option, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes in at $1,199 for the 256GB version. Pre-orders are set to begin this Friday, September 13, with the devices hitting stores a week later on September 20. Design-wise, the iPhone 16 Pro series maintains a refined look, with a durable titanium frame and a matte glass back, continuing the sleek and premium feel from previous models. Apple has also kept the dynamic island at the top of the display, which has become a signature feature, along with the action button, first introduced with the iPhone 15 Pro. One of the most noticeable changes this year is the increase in screen size. The iPhone 16 Pro Max now features a 6.9-inch display, while the iPhone 16 Pro steps up to a 6.3-inch screen. These subtle yet significant changes make the devices feel more immersive. Despite the larger displays, the phones themselves have only grown marginally in size compared to their predecessors, remaining thin at 8.25 millimeters. One of the standout features this year is the introduction of a camera control button on the side of the device, located just below the power button. This button allows for quicker access to the camera and provides greater control over settings like focus, zoom, and exposure. This small but impactful addition makes capturing photos and videos even more intuitive. In terms of display quality, both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max feature liquid Retina XDR OLED panels with ProMotion technology, maintaining the 120Hz refresh rate for fluid scrolling and gaming. The screens are bright, vibrant, and responsive, making them ideal for both everyday use and more demanding tasks like photo editing and gaming. Additionally, Apple has switched to USB-C charging, aligning with global standards, and retained the IP68 water and dust resistance, ensuring durability. When it comes to cameras, Apple has made several notable improvements. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max both feature a 48-megapixel main camera for incredible detail and sharpness. However, the big news is the ultra-wide camera, which also receives a 48-megapixel upgrade, enhancing landscape shots and group photos with more detail and clarity. For those who love zoom photography, both Pro models now come equipped with a 5x telephoto lens, up from the 3x on previous models. This upgrade brings better zoom capabilities and consistency across both models, ensuring top-tier performance whether you're shooting from a distance or up close. The camera control button also introduces a more interactive way to capture photos, allowing users to easily switch between settings like focal length and photographic styles by swiping or pressing the button. Apple is expected to release additional features for this button, including a two-stage focus system through a software update. Under the hood, both devices are powered by Apple's latest A18 Pro chip, which is built on a second-generation 3M process. This chip boasts improved speed and efficiency, especially for tasks like gaming and photo editing. The A18 Pro also enhances the device's AI capabilities, allowing for faster and smarter operations through Apple Intelligence, which promises to optimize user experiences and handle complex tasks more efficiently. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are set to lead the charge in Apple's smartphone lineup. With larger displays, a versatile new camera button, and the powerful A18 Pro chip, these devices are poised to capture the attention of tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Pre-orders begin soon, and these models are sure to become top sellers in Apple's lineup this year.